Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about SQL query where class with greater than condition, greater than or equal to condition. Before starting this demo, I just want to set the context. I'm using Eclipse. Okay, then I'm using a Derby database for demo purpose, and I've already installed Derby plugin in my Eclipse, and I've already created employee table for our demo purpose. So this is my employee table. For demo purpose, I'll be using this, and there are 8 employee details in my employee table. So let's go to the demo. So SQL query where class greater than or equal to. So where class is used to filter some of the rows from the database table using some condition. Here in this demo, the condition will be greater than or equal to. Let's take the first query, select star or select asterisk. Asterisk means all the columns. So I want all the columns from employee table where salary is greater than or equal to 55,000. So here if you see salary 55,000 greater than or equal to 55,000, how many records we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you execute this query, we are going to filter 4 records from the employee table. Okay, let's execute this and check whether we are getting 4 records or not. Yes, we have got 4 records. The condition here is salary should be greater than or equal to 55,000. So we have got this one, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs and 2 lakhs. So let's go to the next query, so that we can understand in a better way. So the next condition is select star from employee table where salary is greater than or equal to 30,000. So how many rows we can fetch? 30,000 or equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when I execute this query, we should be in a position to get 6 rows. Let's check this whether we are getting 6 rows or not. 6 records we have got. Okay, so the condition here is greater than or equal to 30,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. So every record has salary greater than or equal to 30,000. That's why we have got this result. Let's execute the last condition to understand where class with greater than or equal to. So hope you understood. Where class is used to filter some of the records from the database table using some condition. Here in this demo, the condition is greater than or equal to we are using. So last one is select all the columns from employee table where employee ID, there is a different column, employee ID column. I'm going to use this column in the where condition. Employee ID should be greater than or equal to 5. So I have to get these 4 records. Okay, let's execute this and check whether we are getting it or not. Yes, these 4 records. Okay, hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.